Hello, my name is Daisy Janet Hurtado. Villavicencio Travel Itinerary. Agency Daisy Janet Hurtado. Villavicencio, the home of the January traditional, and Villavicencio, capital of the department of Meta, the mountains of the Eastern Cordillera, and to guide why to the its night place in a postcard working imagine in the which the infinite light meets winds the shafts of the Janeiro. Dayun, department from the city of Bogota. Departure from the city of Bogota at 6 a.m. Arrival and the hotel delivery of rooms and the youth, the with areas of the restaurant and the areas of games, shoots and billiard from tejo, ping pong and the waltz, etc. Rates in the hotel facilities dinner day 2. Villavicencio. Tour night seat completes. Breakfast they start the tour of our completes with night seat bracelets include tractor, Shivam, raid, visit the Parque Temático, the live walking tour parasite, Janeiro Encant of Bats reads one word. My word and natural dry wine coconuts were dinner dialoguing optional looks. Day 3. Villavicencio Tour Bioparque Los Ócaros, Cacique River, experience at Burger Janeiro, breakfast entrance to the park Los Ócaros. We will enjoy attractions of this beautiful park to works. We live to up to expense that will make welcome the ancestral and mythical of the plants. You will travel the wonderful river of the Cacique in a float where the calm wheels will be pleasantly interrupted by the adrenaline of the Salto de la Anaconda and the Salto de la Selva. Two complex experiences. We will make a trip in Janeiro boogie to get closer to the different Liberton and native space. You will live a real Janeiro afternoon what they might you return to the llano to continuation exploring in return or the hotel dinner and overnight. Villavicencio, Bogota, of the place of origin, breakfast in the morning working experiences of the llano, enjoy the complex in the afternoon return to Bogota. Means of transportation. The means of transportation that can be used can be bus, chiva, or boats for the different activities. Activities to be taught called als visit Los Ócaros Bioparque, one of the best activities to do in Villavicencio, La Piedra del Amor. We point the Vereda El Carmen, Tiuma Park, a complete Janeiro experiences to the in Villavicencio, the center of the state, the Locals Park. Typical foods. Typical foods of Villavicencio are mammoths, gallina criolla, sancocho de gallina, pan de arroz, tungos, rice and curd grapes, pim, Pisillo de carne de res o pescado, cachama, mojarra, and hallacas. Place to the stay. You cats you can stay at the following hotels: Royal Classic Hotels, Hotel Campestellano Dorado, Hotel del Llano. Cost, price can be family combo. 4 people, 2.500.000, per person, 1.300.000. Good Travel, Agency Daisy Janet Hurtado. Bye, thank you.